Now that you've seen some examples, we're going to reinforce what we've already shown you and teach you a little bit more. Let's dive in. Our IP address is this 192.168.242.2. So our victim is going to be .3. We see 139 and 445 up. We can do a quick service scan. Putting the port number would help. And it's that same Samba. Let's connect with our PC client. A null session. .3. And in here, let's look at server info. SRV info, it tells us that our operating system is version 6.1. We can add that to our notes. Another tool we will look at is enum for Linux. Take a quick look at the help page. What we want is to get the operating system information. So we will use TAC-O and our same 192. Pretend like I remember the IP address. 762.42.3. enum for Linux is quite a powerful tool. It can run a lot. In this situation, we're just using it to get the operating system information. It found some usernames. It found out that it allows for null sessions. It got some SIDs, and it got the operating system version, which is 6.1. Again, we see that Samba Recon. So it is gathering a lot of information for us. We'll also check that out with SMB client. We'll just list with a null session. And in here we see, again, samba.reconlab. Now let's see what dialects it uses. Let's grab our nmap scan. I don't like typing things twice if I don't have to. So our script is going to be SMB protocols, which we've done before. And this should tell us our SMB protocols and dialects. Then we get back that it's got SMB version 1, 202, 210, 3, 3.02, and 3.11. Another way we can go about it is with good old MSF console. We will use the auxiliary scanner for SMB to identify SMBv2. And later we'll get into Metasploit and how to look up what scanners or modules or exploits you want to take advantage of. But for now, just want to show you that it can be done. Check our options, everything's filled in. Now let's run it. And it shows that it supports SMB2, which we would want to write down, come back to later. If you don't know the importance, that is fine. Enumeration is all about finding information. Later, we'll use that information to find exploits. Now, what's kind of neat is there's scripts for enumerating users with SMB and Nmap. And what it'll do is it connects with SMB, and we've done this command before. It looks like we've got an admin, an Aisha, Ellie, Emma, John, and Sean. It even gives their RID or IDs. We would want to add those to our list, and now we've got users on this machine. That can be really helpful for credential spraying later. We'll look at enum for Linux again. And in this case, TAC-U. Again, that's going to look at users, showing different ways to skin the cat. TAC-U is going to get us our users. And again, same list. John, Ellie, Aisha, Sean, Emma, and admin. Multiple ways of skinning this cat. Show you one other way. Do a null session. With RPC client, and then run enum dom users. Gets us the same list, which it should. Now let's look up some useful stuff. So look up names and admin. See if we can get more. So now we have the full SID of admin, which could be really useful. If you wanted to be anyone on this machine, admin seems like the dead giveaway. So